Hello, I'm Jocko. This is my partner Malik. Our project is on automating a solution to labor shortages. We worked with IDL Worldwide. IDL is a printing company. They use large printers to print on a variety of materials and then a variety of finishing options to cut those materials. The problem that IDL is experiencing are rising demand for their product and rising costs in their system. They are unable to hire the labor to respond to these problems. So instead of that, they identified two areas of opportunity to increase machine productivity, which are the Indigo digital offset printer and the digital cutter plotter tables. To set this project up for our team, we split up into two groups, two people working on the Indigo, two people working on the plotter. We used a Gantt chart and weekly action plans to keep us on track. Some of the constraints we had to deal with were a decent bit of travel time between us and the client site, as well as long vendor response times when communicating with vendors. And the deliverables that we agreed upon with IDL were net present value analyses for both machines and final recommendations on how to replace both these machines.
In terms of our methodology for solving the problem, IDL provided us with a lot of data to be able to utilize. We found a few different opportunities for savings, including in labor costs, outsourcing, and die cuts. We built a couple of separate spreadsheets to do an NPV analysis to figure out how much money they can save over a 7-year planning horizon. To the right, we have a couple examples of what the NPV calculations look like, along with a internal rate of return. For the recommended machinery upgrades, we are recommending that for the Indigo replacement, they go with the Canon V1370 pictured above. And for the plotter tables, they change them out for the Electron TAVR model shown below. And then finally, solving the labor shortage. So between those two, we're estimating over a 7-year horizon, we can save them a little over $500,000. And between the plotter and the Indigo, we can save them a little over 200 labor hours per week.
How was that?